Welcome. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey. We're about to explore how you can create your very own digital product, even if you're starting from scratch. This is your first step towards building something amazing, so let's get started. If you want to create your first digital product, something that you can be proud of and that can truly help others, and start earning passive income, generating revenue while you sleep or work on other projects, you're absolutely in the right place. This is about creating a sustainable income stream. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go from idea to launch, taking that spark of inspiration and turning it into a tangible, marketable product. We'll cover everything from initial concept to final execution. In just 7 days, a week is all it takes to go from zero to product launch, even if you have zero experience. No prior knowledge is needed. We'll guide you through every step of the process, making it easy to understand and implement. We'll break it down step by step, making the entire process manageable and less overwhelming. Brainstorming, generating ideas, and narrowing down your niche. Creating, designing, and developing your digital product. Setting up your shop, establishing your online presence and preparing for sales, and making your first sale. That initial validation is incredibly motivating. You don't need a big audience or fancy credentials. You don't need thousands of followers or a degree in marketing. Just a willingness to start. The most important thing is taking that first step and committing to the process. Grab a notebook and let's dive in. It's time to turn your ideas into reality. Day 1 marks the beginning of your journey into the world of digital products, and it is all about finding that initial spark, that core idea that will fuel your creation. This is where the magic begins, so let's dive in. Don't overthink it. The perfect idea doesn't exist from the start. Great products often come from what you're genuinely good at. Think about your strengths, your talents, the things you excel in, and equally important, what you truly enjoy doing. Passion is a powerful ingredient in any successful product. Consider also what people frequently ask you for help with. What problems do your friends, family, or colleagues come to you to solve? What expertise do they seek from you? Start by listing your skills and interests. Be thorough, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem. Then, brainstorm and match those skills and interests to specific problems you can potentially solve for others. Think critically. How can my unique skills and passions be leveraged to genuinely help someone else overcome a challenge or achieve a goal? Aim to generate a list of at least 5, and ideally closer to 10, possible product ideas. The more ideas you have, the better your chances of finding a winner. At this stage, don't worry too much about the specific format your product will take. Focus on the core value you'll be providing. By the end of today's session, you'll have a solid shortlist of potential digital product possibilities, ready for further evaluation and refinement. Day 2. Let's make sure your idea is something people want. Share your top ideas with friends or on social media. Ask what they'd find most useful. Check platforms like Gumroad or Etsy for similar products. Competition means there's a market. Read reviews to spot what people love or wish was better. Pick the idea with the most interest and move forward. Day 3 is planning day. Outline your product, what's included, what problem it solves, and the transformation it offers. Decide on the best format: PDF, template, video, or spreadsheet. Keep it simple and focused on results. By the end of today, you'll have a clear plan to follow. Day 4, the exciting part. It's time to actually create your product. Let's transform your ideas into something tangible and valuable. This is where all your planning and preparation come to fruition. Our guiding principle for today is to focus on building a minimum viable product, or MVP. Think of it as the core essence of your product, the simplest version that still delivers real, tangible value to your potential customers. What's the absolute minimum you can create to solve their problem? To keep things lean and efficient, leverage free and accessible tools. Start with Google Docs for writing and structuring your content, Canva for creating visually appealing graphics and designs, or Notion for organizing your thoughts and building a structured workspace. These platforms offer powerful features without the hefty price tag. Carve out a dedicated block of time. A few focused hours should do the trick. Then, systematically follow your outline, step by step. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. Don't get bogged down in the details just yet. Just get the core content and functionality done. You can always polish the design and refine the details at the end. Keep reminding yourself. Done is infinitely better than perfect. An imperfect product that's out in the world is far more valuable than a perfect product that never sees the light of day. With focused effort and the right mindset, By tonight, you'll have your very first digital product ready to share with the world. Get ready to celebrate this milestone. Day 5. Let's get your product online. Use beginner-friendly platforms like Gumroad or Payhip. Create a clear, benefit-focused product page with a strong title, description, and visuals. Price it competitively. $7 to $27 is a good range for your first product. Upload your product, set your price, and hit publish. You're officially in business. Day 6. Launch day. Announce your product to your network with a personal story about why you made it. Share in relevant online communities, but offer value first. Don't just drop a link. Post tips or insights related to your product, then mention your offer. The goal? Get your first visitors and your first sale. Take action, even if it feels imperfect. Day 7. Gather feedback and improve. Reach out to your first customers and ask what they liked and what could be better. Use a simple Google form or email for feedback. Make small tweaks based on what you learn. Ask happy customers for testimonials to build trust. Iteration is the key to long-term success. That's your 7-day roadmap to launching a digital product. Progress beats perfection. Just start, learn, and improve. Take one small step today. Brainstorm 3 ideas. Share your ideas or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more actionable guides. Now go create your digital product.